Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Katie and I'm the organic esthetician. So I've been getting so many questions from you all on how to use 7E Wellness's microcurrent lip and eye masks. So these masks are to be used with your 7E Wellness MyoLift mini device. For all of you professionals out there, they also work with your MyoLift 600 device and the MyoLift MD. But I think most of the people have been asking for how to use it at home. And so that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. It's really easy. There's just a couple things that you need to know, and I'll have you all doing hands-free microcurrent in no time. So you're going to need a 7E Wellness microcurrent device. For the sake of this video, we're going to use the MyoLift Mini. You'll need a conductive eye mask or lip mask and a lead wire. You're going to take this end of your lead wire and plug it into the top of your MyoLift Mini, like that. If your lead wire is brand new, it'll probably be stuck together. So you're just going to peel it apart to the length that you'd like. So I'm going to show you how to do this on the eye mask. It's exactly the same on the lip mask. You're then going to take your lead wire and plug it into each side of the eye mask. These can get a little tight, so you just have to kind of screw them in a little bit, and this goes on the other. Okay, so it'll look like this. Now the reason that I love these masks so much is that they are conductive on their own. You do not have to use a conductivity gel when you're using these conductive eye masks. On clean, dry skin, you're going to pull the backing off your mask and place it directly onto your face. I have makeup on, so I'm not going to do it right now, but you're just going to place it on, smooth it out. It's adhesive on the back. It'll stay on your face. You're then going to turn on your device, and you're going to run each setting, erase, and then educate for 5 to 10 minutes each. So I always start with erase. You're going to elongate the muscle, erasing fine lines, and then you're going to educate the muscle, lifting and toning it. Because your eye area, your orbital bone, and your orbicularis oculi, this muscle that goes around your eye, is a little more sensitive when it comes to the current. Start with erase one and educate one. Increase the intensity to what's comfortable for you, and then go from there. The one thing you want to avoid when you're doing this treatment is muscle contraction. That's that twitchy spasm that can happen with the muscle. It happens most often, I find, around the eye area, but it can happen all over. And when the muscle contracts, you're actually depleting ATP, which is that cellular energy that microcurrent tends to increase. Right? It's part of the treatment that's so beneficial for that long-term result because we're increasing the overall health of the skin. When the muscle contracts, it depletes ATP and kind of does the opposite of what we're trying to achieve. So if you're using an intensity that might be a little high, don't be alarmed if you get a little twitchy. Just use that as a cue to turn down the intensity, and you just turn down your intensity using the buttons here. Once you've run each program for 5 to 10 minutes, turn off your device and feel free to disinfect your eye mask with just a little bit of isopropyl alcohol or like an alcohol wipe. I use these professional barbicide wipes. Ultimately, you just want to kill any bacteria that gets on it. It's not going to be that big of an issue because for those of you using them at home, it's only you who's using it and you're using it on clean skin. Because microcurrent increases cellular permeability, which allows product to penetrate deeper, you can actually use your eye mask over product. But again, you do not have to use your conductivity eye masks with conductivity gel. But you do have the option of using it over a water-based serum or even a water-based mask. 7E Wellness makes an ATP booster mask, which they use with the eye mask as part of one of their professional protocols. So You can apply a thin layer of mask to your face, then place your eye mask right over the top and run your programs as I just described. You'll get the added benefit of increased product penetration when you do it this way. One of the things I love the most about the 70 Wellness microcurrent devices is their conductivity bar. So when your device is not running, your bar is empty. When you turn your device on, I have my eye mask plugged in, but not on my skin. It's going to blink, telling you that you do not have conduction because it's not touching your skin yet. This allows you to really play around with what you use underneath your mask. I've said this in my other MyoLift mini videos, but it's so fantastic because you can try out different serums, different masks. You could even use your eye mask over a sheet mask. In treatment, I use my eye masks over Lucern's Professional Biocellulose sheet masks, which work phenomenally for pushing the mask deep into the skin. And it also allows the entire sheet mask to be conductive. So you're getting microcurrent all over your face, not just around the eye area. I actually have a few sheet masks that are coming in the mail, and I'll do a future video that shows me playing with a few different sheet masks so we can see which ones are conductive and how they work with the conductivity eye masks. Now, for those of you that are professional estheticians who have a MyoLift Mini and a MyoLift 600 device, it's probably not that many of you, but I'm sure a few of you are out there. You have one input on each device, which allows you to use both the eye mask and the lip mask at the same time. This also could be done if you owned two MyoLift Minis or two MyoLift 600s even. This is a picture of me using the eye and the lip mask at the same time over one of those biocellulose masks I was telling you about. Now again, I'm sorry, they're a professional only mask, but I will do a video on some sheet masks that work with the microcurrent so you guys can do this at home. I travel with my MyoLift Mini. I bring it with me on all of my work trips. And my favorite thing to do when I get off a plane and back to my hotel is to get in bed in my pajamas, put on a serum, and then plug in my eye mask and put it on. And I often fall asleep with it on. It's such a relaxing treatment. It's my favorite post-flight self-care. I feel like these attachments are so fantastic because it's such an easy, hands-free way to do microcurrent at home. For those of you that are having trouble getting the hang of the probes, doing the eye and lip mask is going to be a really easy way to add in microcurrent into your routine. Personally, I love anything that I can do while I'm multitasking. This allows me to sit on the couch at night, watch Netflix, and still be doing a microcurrent treatment. I hope this video was helpful. I think you all should now be able to use your masks at home. Please let me know if you have any more questions. Leave them in the comments down below. So let's just do a really quick recap. The eye and lip masks can be used on clean, dry skin without any conductivity gel. Alternatively, you can use the eye and lip mask over a water-based serum, mask, or even a sheet mask. This is a fantastic way to do a hands-free microcurrent treatment at home. All the same normal contraindications apply. You don't have to worry about doing microcurrent over your thyroid because the masks aren't positioned there. To clean your mask, you're just going to wipe it down with a little alcohol, put it back on its acrylic backing, and put it back in its Ziploc bag. Oh, and one thing I didn't say earlier, these masks say that they're good between 12 and 15 uses. I find that they last kind of upward closer to 20. As you use them multiple times, they're going to get less sticky. And towards the end, you might actually have to hold it on your face, which is less desirable. But because you have that conductivity bar, you're just going to check the bar to make sure that the current's flowing. And once that bar stops being solid, when you have it touching your skin, you know that the life of your eye mask is probably up. The eye mask retails for $18.99. My discount code, Organic Esthetician, which I'll link down below, is good on any of the 7E Wellness products. If you have yet to purchase a MyoLift Mini and are interested in getting both the device, the probes, and the eye and lip mask, a really great option is the MyoLift Mini Home Care Kit. It retails for $300, but you can use my discount code, which allows you to get it for $285. And in your kit, you're going to get a MyoLift Mini device, ball tip applicator probes, a lead wire, one eye mask, one lip mask, one 4-ounce jar of Restore Conductivity Gel, a charging cord, and access to the online portal for the MyoLift Mini. On that portal, you'll find additional educational resources that'll show you how to use your MyoLift Mini. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any additional questions about the eye masks, make sure you leave them in the comments down below. Make sure you like this video, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Sorry this video was a little delayed. Takes me a while, but I always make them. All right, guys, Happy New Year, and I will see you all really soon. Bye.